Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your account in the BestJobs application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it, and in this page you can just press on the account settings. And here in this new page you can see the account management section, and there you should select the last option, which is deactivate account. And above there you can just read about what happens if you deactivate of your account. It means that you will automatically unsubscribe from job alerts and inactivation of your CV. So basically inactivation of your CV and profile. And here you can just select the reason for the activation. For example, I have already found a job, and you can see down below that you will be able to reactivate your account anytime by simply just logging in. And once you're done with it, you can just press on the checkmark symbol at the top of your right corner and press yes here. And you will be basically signed out from the application and your account will be deactivated. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.